How to dye eggs with Kool-Aid or coffee. Some kids may not know the difference between eggs that are dyed with Kool-Aid or coffee. However, if you're looking for a deeper color, then coffee is the best option. To dye eggs with Kool-Aid, coffee, or tea, you will need to prepare boiling water in the desired amount of the liquid of your choice. For every cup of liquid, you will need 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. The vinegar acts as a mordant which helps bind the color to the eggshell. This article will teach you an easy way to dye eggs with Kool-Aid or coffee. All you have to do is take a few minutes and follow these steps. 1. Boil the desired amount of water in a pot till it starts steaming. 2. Add coffee grounds or Kool-Aid packet to the pot, then stir it until it is well mixed. 3. Place eggs into the pot and let them boil for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off the eggs in cold water, then use a towel to dry them off. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link. Don't forget to like and share this video. Write a comment if you have other ideas. Thank you for watching.